Here he comes.
What are we doing, honey?
I'm feeding the bird. He's come around 4 times to get a piece. And he catches it in midair.
My head!
Yeah.
Here he comes. He caught it again. Alright, he's looping around. Here he comes.
Carissa, are you having fun?
Yeah.
I trained him myself.
I'm training myself.
Oh my goodness.
Here he comes, Mommy. Here he comes. Oh, no. He's settled in. Alright, Mommy, for your last thing on the video, I'm going to show you the stampede. This is the stampede. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright. That's it.
Okay, we're all done. We're all done. We're going inside now.